YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your resistance bands. I actually bought this from Amazon and I'll link it below where you can actually find these. But it comes with this bag as well that you can put all of your resistance bands in. And I'm going to show you guys what all comes with the resistance bands. So you get several different resistance tubes. The first one here is red, and this one is 20 pounds. We also have a black one, and this one is 40 pounds. Also have green one, and this one is 25 pounds. And then we also have a blue one, which is 15 pounds. And then the last tube we have is the yellow one, and it's 10 pounds. In this, you also get the little handles, which you can use to attach to your resistance bands so you can use them. You get 2 of those. And all of this stuff fits right over in this bag, so you can carry it around anywhere you go. You also get the ankle straps. You get 2 of those, which I have here. And then you also get a door anchor. So all of this stuff comes in this bag, and I will link it below where you can actually purchase it. But let's go ahead. I'm going to show you some different exercises that you can do with your upper body. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Alright you guys, so our first exercise that I'm going to show you, you can do are arm curls. So I have the handles, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the handles and attach it to the resistance tube. Then I'm going to do the other side. Right, so I'm using 25-pound resistance, and the good thing about these is if you need to add more resistance, you can add more bands to it so that you can get your desired resistance. That's the good thing about getting the set. You can have so much, you can add so much weight. So with our first exercise with the arm curl, you're going to go ahead and step on them. And then once you step on them, you're going to make sure that you do not lock your knees, and you're just going to come here and pull up, keeping your core nice and engaged. You're going to curl it and back down. You're going to control the weight or control the bands as you go down. And if it's too light for you, then you can add more resistance to it. Making sure to let your muscles, when you go down, you want to keep them long so you can get that nice stretch in your muscles. And this is going to help you to build your muscles. Okay? Alright you guys, so the next exercise is going to be a row. So with the row, I'm going to use my daughter's trampoline, and I'm just going to take the resistance tube, wrap it around from here, and you just want to come down and you're going to roll back. With this, you want to make sure that you do have that it's pretty tight, so that way you can get a lot of resistance from it. Let me try that again for you guys. From here, come down. Alright you guys, so next exercise that I'm going to show you guys is the lat pull down. You're going to need your door anchor. You're going to take your door anchor on any door. Alright. Just going to make sure that your door is closed. You can pull on it. Make sure that it doesn't come open on you. And then you're just going to take your resistance tube and you're going to pull it through. You're going to come here. You're going to kneel down. You can put something under your knee if you need to. And you're just going to come down. You guys, so the last exercise that I'm going to show you guys is going to be your tricep extensions. You can use the same setup that you have for your lat pull down. You're going to take your resistance bands. It's probably easier to just hold on to your resistance bands like so. You're going to lean forward, making sure that you extend your arms all the way out to elongate your muscles. Make sure that when you're doing these, that you don't come here. You want to keep your arms close by your side, and you don't want your elbows to come out. So make sure you keep your elbows in, close to your face, and pull out. See, I'm not letting my elbows bow out. Right? Alright you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope this was very helpful for you guys so that you can start using your resistance bands at home. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notification when I upload new content. Remember guys, when you change your mindset, you will change your life. Have a good one, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.